Okay, so here we are, next stage of the prototype. I've got this mounted in my truck currently. I don't have the pneumatics yet, so I've not worked with that. But in order to have a prototype for today's deadline, this is what I got. It's controlled by string and voice command, believe it or not. But that's because I have somebody helping me. So we just went through the McDonald's drive-through, and I've got a super delicious looking burger, and we are going to clamp that bad boy into the Berg feeder. Looking pretty good there. And so yeah, so you're driving along, you hit the drive-through, you get your sandwich. Before you pull out of the drive-through, of course, you do your manipulations. And then, as you're driving down the road in your truck, you get ready to take a bite, and you hit the foot pedal. Delicious. I've stayed on the road the whole time, I promise. I know you guys were super excited to watch me eat a hamburger. But that's it. So I'll show you a little bit of what I did different. Let me grab this here. So the main differences so far are I removed a few parts of this hand. It had like more of a wrist back here, and I had it taped on, but now I removed that part so it's lighter, and I screwed it just to this piece here, so it's one kind of solid piece now. I need to tighten it. It just lost. I mean, it's doing a great job holding my burger. And then for the headrest here, I've got a like 1.5 inch by 3/4 of an inch piece of pine wood that I've cut and then built. Hitting buttons. Kind of built the arm coming out off of it. Right now it's just being held together with some zip ties, but while I was building this prototype, I came up with a better idea of how I want to attach it. I'm going to add another piece of wood on this side and drill 3 holes, 2, 3, and then put bolts through those with like wing nut washers on the back side, and then you just clamp it down to the 2 bars. So then that way you can move it into multiple cars, which is one of the features I wanted to do, but wasn't a necessity. And yeah, so for my final build, I'm actually going to extend this arm out a little bit more so this can get a little bit further away, because as of right now, it's just a very short motion and then it's right in my grill. So especially with the pneumatic piston I have coming, it's going to need a little bit more room to maneuver. So by moving this forward, it'll put everything a little bit more forward in my truck, and then also give it more of a swing out and then a swing in. The pneumatics I'm using, oh no, we just lost a burger. Not good. The piston that we'll be using is a 2-function piston, whatever. Not the single action, but the 2 action. And then the foot pedal should control it, that when I push it, it'll pull it in. And then the next time I push it, it'll extend it. So then it's just 2 clicks of the foot pedal. And yeah, that's what we got so far.